So, no, I wouldn't say I have a passion for HR.
Welcome back to Human Resources for the People. On Friday, the U.S. National Labor Relations Board brought back some of a practice it had abandoned more than 50 years prior, which mandated that companies that violate labor laws negotiate with unions without conducting official elections. The board's 3-1 decision in the Cemex construction materials case could give unions a big boost by allowing them to represent workers in specific situations when a majority of workers sign cards in favor of unionization rather than going through the drawn-out and frequently contentious election process. In its judgment on Friday, the Democratic-led board largely reinstated the Joy Silk theory, which was established in a case from 1949 in which the National Labor Relations Board ruled that employers were required to deal with unions unless they had a good faith question about the existence of majority support. NLRB Chair Lauren McFerrin said that the Cemex decision reaffirms that elections are not only the only appropriate path for seeking union representation, but Republican Rep. Virginia Foxx says that the decision is un-American.